about to start this iPhone 12 Pro Max back glass repair, camera replacement, and camera lens replacement. I already got all the internals out. As you can see, front screen, all the parts from the inside. Now I'm just gonna put it on the laser. Laser's doing its job now. So to remove the glass, I put it in this clamp, hold the phone down. I use the hot air machine right there. I use this type of X-Acto knife, X-Acto knife with this type of handle. And make sure you always use eye protection. I use these because it actually protects your eyes from all around, from all the edges and everything, because glass can still fly into your eye with regular just glasses. So yeah, see you in the next video. This is how it looks so far right now. I just gotta finish all the rest. Okay, got all the glass off, all the camera lens glass off. This is how it looks like after it's all off. Already test fit the new glass to see if everything's gonna be flush and smooth. Now I'm going to put everything back inside and then glue the glass. See you later. Alright, got the new glass glued, being held down with some clamps. Got all the internals back in also. Got the new camera lenses and new camera installed also. So now I'm just going to wait overnight to let this dry, clean up the extra glue on the edges, and I will show you that after that's done. iPhone 12 Pro Max all cleaned up, got all the glue off, new camera lenses, new camera, new glass.